What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to delete a Patreon account. So, in this case, how do we exactly delete our Patreon account here? Well, deleting your account is fairly easy. So first things first is you want to go to patreon.com, log into your account, and once in here, we need to access a few things. So at the bottom left of your screen, you should be able to see your profile or your name. Go ahead and click on the three-dotted option here. Now, from here, what we need to do is we need to go ahead and go and click on the privacy policy option. Now, you should be able to see the policies here. So what you need to do is you just need to click on the make a privacy request at the top right of your screen. Now, once you click on it, it's going to give you two options. You have the option to download or erase your personal data from their system. Now, you can go ahead and click on this one. And from here, you just need to click on allow and basically proceed on submitting your request on deleting your privacy or your data on Patreon here. So go ahead and click on allow here. It's going to submit that. And in this case, we will delete your personal data we have about you. So if you want to go ahead and proceed with that, go ahead and click on confirm request. And you just need to wait for 14 days in order for them to delete your account. Now, one more thing you need to know here, this is not reversible. You won't be able to recover your account once you proceed with this one. So go ahead and click on confirm request, and from then on, you should be good. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.